5 unusual benefits of baking soda on the body. Baking soda is one of those staples that stay in the kitchen for a long time because you never get to finish a container of it. Sometimes you'll only be reaching for it when you need an emergency exfoliant, but that's about it. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is an often overlooked yet versatile ingredient. It can be used in a variety of things, including cleaning tricks, teeth whitening, and even boosting health, something that we will be delving on deeper later. That's right, baking soda is more than just a cleaning hack, as it also has benefits on the body when used properly. Continue watching this video to know about how drinking baking soda can unusually help out your body in 5 different ways. Number 1. Boosts cardiovascular health. When your cardiovascular health is compromised, it can result in poor energy and negatively impacted mental functions, digestion, and immunity. Moreover, circulatory issues can also increase the risk of getting heart disease and chronic respiratory disease. With a teaspoon of baking soda daily, you can detoxify the blood and boost its flow by assisting in removing blockages. Number 2. Combats acid reflux. For quick relief against gastric acid symptoms, a half teaspoon of baking soda added in a half cup of water can do the trick. Just make sure not to take too much sodium bicarbonate, the acid in your stomach will be neutralized. And if this happens, it can cause more production of acid to compensate, causing you to take more baking soda, thus developing a vicious cycle. Number 3. Keeps the kidney healthy. The kidneys are responsible for removing body toxins while also encouraging healthy hormone production. According to a study, patients with advanced chronic kidney disease who drink a daily dose of baking soda water alongside their regular treatments had shown remarkable improvement in their condition. By having a teaspoon of baking soda every day, you can regulate your body's pH levels and help boost your hormone balance, blood quality, and nutrient absorption. Essentially, all these positive effects can help your kidneys stay healthy. Number 4. Improves digestion. Having problems with your digestion? This could potentially derail your day, mind you. Do you usually get tummy woes? Or perhaps you simply just want to improve your general health? Drinking an 8-ounce glass of water mixed with 1 teaspoon of baking soda every morning is the key. Doing so helps maintain a healthy pH balance in your digestive system. As such, you can have optimal digestion and healthy bowel functioning. Number 5. Reduces bloating. If you're feeling bloated, instead of it being an inflammation, it helps relieve this uncomfortable sensation by dissolving a teaspoon of baking soda in 4 to 6 ounces of water. When the pH is back at neutral levels, your body's gases can be calmed while digestive processes, enzymes, and acids will be back at their original healthy state. And in return, foods can be broken down normally without disruptions and problems. Overall, this helps alleviate the issues causing your bloat. Want to add something? Leave your comments below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.